Alright, we're about to do a little road trip today. Sorry for it being dark. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We're in the Honda Accord. Oops, I just pushed the little button. And we're about to hit 93,000 miles. We're about to take a little road trip to South Carolina. I'm gonna go to the Iaai out there and see what they got. Only reason why I'm going to South Carolina is because I usually go to another Iaai in Georgia, but they talking about I can't start the car. So I went in there one day and they was like, oh, you know you can't start the cars no more. And I'm like, I can't start the cars no more. You know what I mean? That's crazy. You know, like me personally, I don't buy nothing I don't see. You know what I mean? So I've done that one time before. No, I've done it twice. But and you know, thank God I was able to make my money back, and I did make some money off the other one, but I don't do that often. Like I said, I done did it twice. So, but anyway, on our way to South Carolina, I hit y'all back when it gets a little lighter outside. But we rolling in the Accord, baby. Alright guys, got some daylight outside. Now 7 in the morning. Hit 93,000. Like I said, we going to South Carolina, Iaai, coming from Georgia. We still on the road. I don't like that I'm putting miles on the Honda, but hey, since we got the car right now, let's use it. Let's use it. Like I said, I'm gonna eventually sell this car too. I do have somebody coming to look at the Infinity today, the red Infinity. As you guys see, I sold the sedan. He said 56, so that's what I plan on getting for 56. You guys remember I don't know if you guys remember, but in the last video I said I wanted at least 6,000, but hey, I'll take 56, a $400 little loss. So, and then we got another guy who's coming from South Carolina. Well, he will be coming from South Carolina if he said Friday though. Today is Monday, so. But alright, I'll give y'all some more footage of at the auction when I get there. Guys, pulling up to Iaai. Let's see what they got in here. Hopefully we can find something good. So yep, we at Iaai. See what we can come up with. Park this bad boy. Alright, let's go in. Alright, we at the auction. About to look at some cars. I don't know what this place is. We got some dogs. But see what we can find. First one, I want to look at that Mustang. But the first car I want to look at is this Honda right here. Like the one I'm driving, but it's a 06. So it's a 06 Honda Accord. I want to check out this Scion right here, this Pontiac. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. That Durango. Let's check this bad boy out. Let's see what we got. Damn. Okay. See if we can get this cranked up. Alright, there's no battery. That sucks. So let's move on. No battery. Looks good though. Damn. Alright, let's move on. Alright, this is a pretty good one. Pretty clean. Toyota Scion. seats can be wiped up a little bit. Got 140,000 miles, 141. AC's working. Show y'all around it real quick. And I'm about to look for some more stuff. Show y'all around. Pretty nice. It looks like it should make it 2 hours back to Georgia. Let's crank this up. It stinks in here. It doesn't crank up anyway. So yeah, this is a pretty good one. Gonna see what it do. Alright, no check engine light or nothing. Damn, mosquitoes, man. Alright, check out this Porsche, guys. This is a 85 Porsche 928. Porsche done did some major upgrades. This bad boy is plain Jane in the inside. Hatchback. Not even sure how to open that. But let's see if we can find some more cars. Just want to point out the Porsche, show y'all the Porsche. Alright guys, I came back to the Scion because this looked like it was going to be the best thing today. But as I sat in here for a second, the car just started really shaking, like real bad. It didn't cut off, but it was shaking like it wanted to cut off. So on that note, time to head back home. I'm not going to mess with this one either. So let's get up on out of here.